Beautiful, 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 beautiful job. Good guys, good, very good one. Good, let's go. Beautiful. The loss is recovered in EUR and SZ. Hi guys, welcome back to Trading School. This is your host, this is your friend, and this is your money making machine. So let's go with another beautiful day, beautiful trading session. Remember to click the like, click on the subscription, and click on the link to join the Telegram channel to stay up to date with all the updates and to receive free signals. And let's make money together. Stochastic oscillator is giving us a possibility of growth, and let's set the bet amount to, let's go with $90, and let's enter into a buy. Good entry. So as you can see that we are breaking through the Donchian channel midline, and we're expecting a hike to the upside. That's what I'm trying to say. So we will open a put option on the upside, and we can also see that the stochastic is giving an upside signal as well. And so far, for investment of $90, we are getting back $172.80. And let's have a look. Let's see how it goes. Looking beautiful so far. First trade of the day, looking positive. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. In just a few seconds, let's stick around. This is what we're teaching you to do. Is the first trade of the day is going to be beautiful. It's a beautiful day today, like every other day when we are trading. All right. We're just waiting patiently. Beautiful candle forming to the upside. We can see that the market is going upside now, and we will be booking profit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So investment of 90 in the EU, in the GBP against the JPY, and we made $172.80 of profit. Beautiful. Looks like let's set the bet amount to 90 and enter into a sell position. So the price is, as you can see, the price failed to hold upwards in the upper part of the Donchian channel, as you can see it, and the Bollinger Bands as well. And we are expecting a further downward decline. Plus, the stochastic is giving a downward signal to us. So let's see. So far, it is not going according to us. This happens. And if there is a loss, we are cutting down our losses and making profits even bigger than our losses. So let's see. All right. So far, it's a no for us. Seems like unexpectedly there is a large volume that came in to buy, and that's why seems like we will be getting a minus here. Yes. Unexpectedly, a large volume came in, as I said. Beautiful reversal, but it didn't go in our favor, so it's okay. Let's wait for the trade to close, and let's look for something else. It's no problem at all. These things happen. It's the part of the game, but we're teaching you how to get better and how to make money faster. Let's go with a buy. All right, good entry. And so as I said, the asset is approaching towards the support zone, and by fractals we expect a bounce, and that is what we're observing here. We expect a bounce upwards. So on this touching this zone, we enter an option for growth, and that is what we're looking at in this indicators. And let's have a look. With an investment of $134, we will be getting at 233.16. we will be getting out. And let's see, feeling confident about this. We are recovering our losses. That's what I told you in the beginning. Everybody has losses, but when we have losses, we recover those losses. We don't stick around and cry when we have losses. If there is a loss, with the trading school and with me, we are making money and we are cutting down our losses. Beautiful trade, beautiful reversal. The market is going upwards now. It had a really good bounce up, and we will be cashing out 233.16. Beautiful job. Good guys. Good. Very good. Good one. Very nice. Okay, let's draw a trend line, because as you can see, there is a pretty evident trend line which is from the bottom to the, yeah, definitely there is a really good trend over here that is going upwards, and the market is going upwards. All the indicators support that there is a growth. We will be going for let's go with $150. Okay, and let's enter into a buy, as I mentioned. Okay, good entry. So as I said, that we are in a rising trend, as you can see on the graph, and the price is bouncing off the middle of the Bollinger Bands. So we enter the growth option again in this. We're entering into a growth option. All right, EUR against the NZD, NZD, New Zealand dollar. Let's go. So with an investment of $150, we will be cashing out a payout of $288. Let's wait. Feeling pretty confident about this. Let's wait and let's observe. Come on, come on. Let's go. Easy. I'm pretty sure about this. Right now we're at break even. Actually, we're at loss right now, but I'm sure it's going to be positive. Seems like pretty close and a little risky because the market can go sideways any time. It has been in the trend line for a long period of time, but let's just observe. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. The loss is recovered in EUR and SZ. Let's go $200 and we will be entering into a buy. So as you can see, the stochastic has started to give a signal for growth and a rebound has already started. A rebound is right there. And we expect a breakdown of the middle line upwards. So that's why the option is upwards. And that's why we entered into a buy. An investment of $200 is going to cash us out $384. We are just waiting patiently and being relaxed. Let's just wait. Oh, beautiful reversal. Beautiful candle forming up to the upside. As you can see, it's going pretty well, pretty upside. And it is looking good, really good so far. All right, looking good, really good. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's see. Beautiful rebound, as I mentioned, the indicators why we selected this. And just a few seconds and let's go. Let's go. Good. Let's go. $384 of profit in the AUD against the USD. Beautiful. So as you can see, there is a downward trend. We expect the price to consolidate under the middle lines of the Donchian channel, as you can see over here, and the Bollinger Bands also. So we are opening an option on the downward side because of the stochastic, because it's for the downward side, and that's what we are trusting. We're trusting our experience, we're trusting our theory with the trading school and with me. And the market is actually up a little, but pretty confident about this, and let's see what happens. With an investment of $300, we will be cashing out $576 in this, and let's stay positive and let's not worry about this. It's going to be profitable. It's going to be okay. Let's just have a look. Just a few more seconds and it's going to be okay. All right. Let's see. Looking good so far. Come on, just a little down. Okay, we're at break even now. Seems a little risky, to be honest. The action of price. Come on, let's go. Beautiful. Just a small loss that we had today, but we already recovered that. We made $576 of profit right now. So this is what we're teaching you to do. Click the like on the video if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Follow me on this journey to make money, and I'm going to make you wealthy. This is my promise to you. I am your friend, I am your host, and I am your coach, your mentor to make you money. And don't forget to click on the Telegram link and subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. Take care, guys.